Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Anuruddh and today in this JavaScript tutorial I will show you the use of scroll effect. In my last video I had shown you the scroll effect. So here first of all you can see this is the code of my last videos. So if you haven't watched my last video, so I will suggest to watch my last video. So now here I will create one header. So here simply header tag. So here I'm assuming you know the basic HTML and CSS. So inside this header tag, just I will create one UL tag, UL, and inside this UL I will create one li tag, and here I will add some menu. So first of all I will add href, okay, and here I will add. So I have no path because here my motive is to show the use of scroll effect. So here I'm not adding any page link, just I'm adding a hashtag. Now here I will add menu name is home. So same way, just I will copy 2-3 times and I will add some menu names like home, about, then contact, and then block. By the way, here you can add the menu's name according to your project. So now if I save and if I go to the browser, so here you can see it is coming like this. So I will add some CSS here, just basic CSS, because main motive is JavaScript one. So here I will add style tag, and first of all I will add CSS for this header tag. Okay, so I will copy and paste here header, and I will add padding. So padding I will add top 20 pixel and left and right 30 pixel, and after that here header background color I will add one random color here like this. Okay, or else I will choose one random color from here, suppose this color, and after that here I will add the CSS for this one. So header UL, here UL I will write padding 0 and margin 0 because UL comes with default padding and margin. After that I will add the li tag, li, and here I will add list style type none and display inline block. So if I write display inline block, so here you can see it is coming in a one line. Okay, so now here just I'll copy this one and I will write the CSS for anchor tag. Anchor tag means this one. So here just simply I will change the font color. Font color I will add here white color, and font size I'll increase the font size to 20 pixel, and font weight I will add here 700. Now let's see how it's looking like. So it is looking like this. I need some space between each menu's items here. So I will add margin right. Margin right I will add here 10 pixel. Now let's see how. So it is looking like this. So here now the HTML and CSS is done. So now I will show you the scroll effect in real life project, how you can use this scroll effect. So here now the header padding is 20 pixel initially. So when I will scroll the page, so what I will do, so here when I'm scrolling the page, so here you can see header is moving up, right? But when I will scroll the page, so that time this header I will make it fixed, okay, and I will change some transition for this header. So now for that purpose here I will write the same code window.onScroll method, then function. Okay, just simply I will remove this and this line, okay, which I wrote earlier in my last video. So here this is the syntax for window.onScroll method. Here up to that it is clear, I guess. And this one I have added just for adding a scroll. In my last video I have explained that one already. Now here I will take this ID. So here I will take the reference of this header. So first of all I will take one ID for this header. So the ID name is also header, and now here I will write one const. I will write the variable name is header. Okay, by the way, this variable name also you can write anything. Const header, then equals to, then document dot get element by ID, and the ID name is header. If I take the ID name here, then I will get entire header because I'm taking ID name as a reference of this header. Okay, so I'll add here this header ID, this one. So now here when I'll scroll this window, so that time I have to fix that header. But before that I want to show one thing. So here if I write console dot log and document element, then dot scroll top, like this. Okay, what I will get here. So if I open the console and here, so now if I scroll, see when I'm scrolling down, so it is increasing. When I'll scroll up, so see it is, this number is decreasing. You can see here, see when I'm scrolling this one entirely top, so here it is 0. Again when I'm scrolling down, so it is increasing, right? So my code logic will be like when I will scroll down, right, so that time this header will be fixed. Okay, so here for that purpose, see here first initially it is 0. Okay, if I refresh, so here initially 0. When I will scroll, so here you can see 34, right? So here you can see 136. So I will take one number, like when it will scroll up to 136, so that time I want to make this header as a fixed in the top. So here suppose I will take here 200. 200 means if I scroll like this, so when my scroll position will come here in this position, so that time this header will fixed. So now let's see. Okay, so what I will write this thing in a condition. So if, so this one when it will increase 200, so that time this header I will write a CSS, so dot style dot position equals to fixed. Okay, so now let's see how it will get. So see here, so now this header is here. Okay, so when I'll scroll down, so see header it is not fixed. So for that purpose I will do another thing. Here I'll write the console, so you can understand that one also. So console.log and this one. So here in this console it will count the scrolling. So here again I will refresh, and now see if I scrolling here, when it will increase 200, because I have written the condition 200, so that time this header will be fixed, right? So now it is 54, so header moving up, not fixed. So again scroll down, so see here still 200, I mean it is increased 200, so see header fixed here, right? So header is fixed, but it is, the size is here. So for that purpose I have to write with 100%. So same thing I will copy and paste here. So instead of position, now I will write with here 100%, like this. So see here this one. So here another thing you have to notice. So when I am scrolling and it is like more than 200, so then it is fixed. But when I'm just scrolling up and it is less than 200, so that time still the header is fixed. So for that purpose here I have to write a else condition. So here I will write another if condition, or you can write the else condition, whatever you want. So here when it is more than 200, so that time I am writing fixed. But when it will less than 200 means I'll scroll up, right? So less than 200, so that time instead of position fixed I will write here position inherit, means it will remove the position fixed. So now just I will save and I will come here. So now here you can see it is increasing. So when it will increase in the console to more than 200, so that time the header will fix. Now header is fixed. When it will decrease, see fixed header removed, right? Again if I scroll down, fixed, again it is removed. But it is happening not like any transition. So I can use some transition here. So here I will write transition 0.4s. So I can use that one. So now save. If I scroll, and another thing I can do here, initially header padding is, if you notice, padding is 20 pixels. So I can just decrease the padding. So here I will write header, same thing I will copy, dot padding equals to, here I will write 10 pixel, then here left and right I will keep it same 30. So I will write here 10 pixel, then 30 pixel. Okay, and here I will write here 20. Okay, now let's see. So if I scroll, see here it is just 20 pixel. Okay, again when I'll scroll up, it is 40 pixel. So this way you can just add some effect when it will scroll. So I hope it is clear. If you find this video helpful, so please like this video, also subscribe my channel to get more update in JavaScript.